Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your live TD Ameritrade or Schwab account. This identity is required. Once done, save your workspace and export any custom studies or strategies so you can restore them later. Make sure Thinkorswim is running in paper money mode. This is where the reset applies. Do not waste time on minor settings. Prepare the account credentials and backups now, because the next steps will irreversibly replace your current paper account state. You now request the actual reset through TD support or account management. Log into your web brokerage portal, navigate to support, and choose account or platform help. Ask explicitly for a paper money reset or creation of a fresh paper account. This is the only reliable method to start clean. Provide your account number and Thinkorswim username and explain you need a new paper balance and history cleared. Expect confirmation and a short processing window. Make sure to watch email for their instructions. Finally, follow the support confirmation to sign into the new paper money instance. Restart Thinkorswim, use the credentials or account identifier they gave, and verify the cash balance, positions, and that trade history is cleared. If you don't see changes, clear the local cache and workspace, then relog. This often resolves stuck states. If problems persist, recontact support immediately with screenshots and timestamps. That single troubleshooting step will get the reset completed for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.